Yep. So at the minute, we're just going to hitch up the tipping trailer, and then we're going to take her down to the front yard, and then we can load her up with all the wood that we've got down the front. So I'll just show you loading on. See, slipping. It's so icy today and frosty. Well, I must admit, it was nice having all that snow yesterday. What? Not sure if you heard him, he's saying that's the trouble with not having four-wheel drive. Yeah, you're under. Go up. No, down. Go forwards an inch. Forwards. Yep. No, back an inch. That'll do ya. Yep, looks like you got it. Yep, you got it. You're in. There we go. So he needs to now turn around, and then he can take her around to the yard. Yeah, he's got to be careful with it. Look at that. Keep going. You're fine. You're fine. See? I told you it'll move back onto the track. There was a lump in the bank that pushed you back online. Yeah, you're spinning. Yep. I know. Yeah, go on, keep going, you're fine. Keep going. You got it.
Yeah, there it does.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Hey?
That'll be fine. Right, so we've just unloaded the garage of the rest of the wood that we had in the garage. Now what we're going to do, take you over this way. We're just going to clear out this lot here, all of this, and then we've also got this pile here. Load it all up and take it round. Right, so Dad's just dropping some of the trees here, so I'll try and capture some of that, but I've got to keep my eye out on cars on the road just in case it falls the wrong way.
Hey.
What?
Right.
You're fine. Well, ain't. So we've been loading up the trailer. Show you now. There you go. Still loads more to chuck on. As you can see, we've got wood pile there. All over here still where we're still felling them. We've got a nice pile across there. So many of these trees that need to just come out. Yeah.
Where you gonna come and get it? Hold that gun.
That was fun. Having to keep running out there and grab them all and stopping the traffic. Oh, got a few big ones down. Got some take off this one.
Alright. I'll move that down a bit. Shit. Thought I was moving it all down.
Oh,
Let's get him.
let's get the small ones, get them off the drive. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, leave me a like and a comment, let me know what I can do differently. Thanks for watching.